You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these baby name. It's not only for babies. What am I saying? If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced correctly, stay tuned. The most common pronunciation in English is as Kaison, although some do say it as Kaison as well, or Kaison. Rarely is it Kaison. How do you pronounce it though? Kaison, Kaison, or Kaison? Make sure you have a very specific spelling, and let us know where you are from as well in the comments, so you have a better understanding of how you want it pronounced and how it is usually pronounced. Let us know. Kaison, Kaison, Kaison. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.